Hello children, how is everyone doing? Good. Let's learn the phonics letters today. Okay? Ready? A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's go a bit faster. A, B, K, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Fantastic. Let's play a game. Can y'all tell me the phonic sound of this? F. Excellent. And what is this letter? This is M. Mind blowing. And what is this, children? P. Very good. And this is H letter. And S. Wonderful. Finally, what is this letter? A. MashaAllah. Thank you for watching, children.